falling. I don't know how it goes.
Tessa, you gotta watch out for the warm spots.
I know.
It's called fish pee.
Or Lindsay.
Or Lindsay pee.
Or everybody pee.
I just peed right here.
Oh.
Well, I'm trying to warm up the lake.
Oh, I just found a worm spot.
Did you?
Uh-huh.
That's probably where my pee drifted.
Oh! Oh, naturally. I hope I didn't have my glasses on my head.
No, your glasses are up here.
Okay, good.
Hey!
Yay!
Are you going to tip us? We're going to
Yeah.
capsize.
Ah!
We're going to capsize.
Ship's going down.
Oh, you stealing that from me? You were touching right? You were touching all the way at the end of the pier yesterday. We're not even close to the edge of the pier.
See, you're touching right there, knucklehead.
I'm not. I'm not touching. I'm gonna drown. Oh, yay, Jordan!
You make us. Oh. She said I'm gonna drown.